Why should I make a budget? You say you know where your money goes, and you don't need it all written down to keep up with it. I issue you this challenge. Keep track of every penny you spend for 1 month, and I do mean every penny. You will be shocked at what the itty-bitty expenses add up to. Take the total you spent on just one unnecessary item for the month, multiply it by 12 for the months in a year, and multiply the result by 5 to represent 5 years. That is how much you could have saved and drawn interest on in just 5 years. That, my friend, is the very reason all of us need a budget. If we can get control of the small expenses that really don't matter to the overall scheme of our lives, we can enjoy financial success. The little things really do count. Cutting what you spend on lunch from $5 a day to $3 a day on every workday in a 5-day work week saves $10 a week, $40 a month, $480 a year, $2,400 in 5 years, plus interest. See what I mean? It really is the little things, and you still eat lunch every day, and that was only one place to save money in your daily living without one thing you really need. There are a lot of places to cut expenses if you look for them. Set some specific long-term and short-term goals. There are no wrong answers here. If it's important to you, then it's important, period. If you want to be able to make a down payment on a house, start a college fund for your kids, buy a sports car, take a vacation to Aruba, anything, then that is your goal and your reason to get a handle on your financial situation now. Join our WhatsApp channel, link in bio.